Hey, what's up? What's up? This is Laura Washington. And if you're new to my channel and you're joining me today, well, welcome. And I just want to make sure that you hit that subscribe and that you hit that bell for notifications where I'll be posting a video every week. So today is going to be all about toners. What are they? What do they do? How do you apply them? What is pH? So we're going to be learning a lot about toners, and toners is your second step to your basic skincare products or your basic skincare routines. So I'm here helping millennials age gracefully from the inside out with pure and safe solutions to increase their confidence and live their best healthy life. Today's topic is all about toners. Now last week I did a video about the cleansers, so if you are just now checking me out today, you might want to pop back to last week's video about cleansers so you know which cleansers to use, and then you can come back to this one and watch the toners. So the toner is the second step in your basic skincare routine. It helps eliminate any barriers on your skin to allow the next step in your skincare routine to be applied and have the products work really good after, or have them, work to their best ability after. Now, toners have other words like pre-lotion, tonic water, or astringent. Now, I haven't really heard of any of those other ones, but astringent I do remember hearing when I was in my teens. And those are just a few to name. Toners actually came from the word tonic water or tonic. So, what are toners? Toners are to be used after cleansers to take off all the products and the rest of the product or the product residue and to prepare your skin for the next step. So toners are a great benefit for rebalancing your pH, the pH of your skin, shrinking the appearances of your pores, rehydrating your skin, refreshing your skin, to cleanse that skin by taking off that dead layer of your skin. How to apply toners? Well, how you apply toners are super easy, and I will be showing you and talking about the 3 ways you can apply toners. The first one is with a simple cotton pad. Alright, so I'm going to show you the 3 ways how to use your toner. So the first way is to use your cotton pad, and you're just going to spritz it on. So I'm going to do 2 squirts. And then you are going to just wipe it across your face. And this is to rebalance your skin so it's back to the healthy skin range of 5.5 to 6.8. And try to go up when you wipe, just so everything goes up and not down. All right, so that was how to do the toner with the cotton pad. The second way to do it is to spritz like this one. You can just spritz straight on your face. I usually do 2 to 3 spritz on my face to make sure I have all of my face. And the last step, which I've been really liking, and I've been using this the past couple of times, is I actually just spritz it right onto my palm. I do 2 to 3 spritz, and since I've already did the toner with the cotton pad, this is going to be like a double toning. Okay, so here is obviously my palm. 2 squirts. You can kind of see that it's running, kind of. There you go. So I'm just going to rub it around, and I'm going to pat it onto my face. And that's it. Now I really like that because I feel like the toner is going into my pores, and I'm pressing it into my pores where it can go in quicker. The other 2, especially with the cotton pad, I don't have a problem with the cotton pad, but it does have a little bit of waste where you're going to have to throw this away. And the spritzing straight to your face, that's super simple. And I like that, how it feels real refreshed. So my next question is, what is pH? What is that? Well, pH stands for potential of hydrogen. The pH scale ranges from 0, which is very acidic, to 14, which is alkaline, while 6 to 8, right in the middle, is neutral. Now, our healthy skin pH level is 5.5 to 6.8, and it's slightly acidic. Now, too acidic on your face, that means it's inflamed or it might be red. But if you go to the other side where it's too alkaline, you're going to have real dry and dehydrated skin. So before you wash your face, our face is usually about a 4 to 5. And then after you cleanse your face, it kind of jumps to the alkaline side, which is like a 10 to 12 on the scale. Now, the toner that you use, it should balance your skin back to that 5.5 to 6.8 range. So before we cleanse, it's usually a little acidic. And then after we cleanse, it goes higher to the alkaline side. And then the toner does balance it back out. So our skin on our face can kind of fluctuate pretty quick. So I'm not a scientist, and some of these things go way above my head, but I just want to, with all that being said, we need to use toners to rebalance our pH level of our skin, so all of our products used after will work effectively. So that wraps up our second step into our skin care routine, the use of toners. Now next week I will be sharing the third step in our basic skincare routine, so make sure you come back and you watch it next week. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below and hit that bell if you want any notifications that I will be putting out videos every week. I do have a question for you, and so if you did get great value from this video, make sure you give it a like or a thumbs up so I know that I'm providing great value. So my question of the day is, what is your favorite toner that you use? Or what did you learn today about toners that you didn't know before? So just make sure you write those down in the comments below. All right, well, thank you so much. And remember to love your skin today, love your body this week, and love yourself always. Talk to you soon. Bye. 0 acidic